Want to learn how to find designers for your Christian t-shirt business? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find designers for your Christian t-shirt business. So step number one is to create a brand board. In order for a designer to do their job correctly, you have to give them something to work with. You got to give them an idea of the colors you like, the fonts you like, the tone you like, the graphic design style that you like. You need to create a brand board reflecting your vision for your t-shirt designs. If you just ask somebody to randomly come up with designs, then you're not going to have given them a clear direction, and your brand's going to be all over the place, and it's going to be really hard to find somebody to make what you envision in your mind come to life. Create a brand board first. Step number two, once you have your brand board in place, the first place I'd recommend trying to find a designer is on Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. The reason why I recommend this to be the first place to start is because Fiverr has some pretty great designers and they only charge $5, sis. $5. So if you don't mind having to go through a couple of frogs to get to the prints, then Fiverr is a great place for you. Sometimes it's hit and miss. Sometimes somebody who has an amazing design portfolio on Fiverr gives you trash, and sometimes somebody who has a trash portfolio on Fiverr gives you amazing design. So it's kind of hit and miss sometimes, but it's usually my first place where I look to find a really quality designer because the price point is so low. To get started on Fiverr, you just go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com, sign up for a free account, and search graphic designer or t-shirt designer. Take a look at the different portfolios that come up and then hire your first designer, send them your brand board, let them know what you're looking for, and then send them the $5. The second place where you can look for really great designers is Upwork.com, Upwork.com. Upwork is an incredible website that has amazing freelancers from all over the world. And on Upwork, you're typically gonna find a more accurate representation of a designer's portfolio because Upwork charges more money. So you're gonna pay a little bit more upfront, but usually the quality of work won't be as hit and miss as it might be on Fiverr. So to use Upwork, you just go to Upwork.com, you create a free account. You're gonna be doing the jobs account. So you're not the freelancer because you're not the freelancer. The other one, I think it's called jobs. And you're gonna go ahead and post your job looking for a graphic designer. In your job description, make sure you include your brand board, include what you're looking for a designer, and people will submit their proposals to you and will submit their portfolios to you. Take a look at their work and then hire your designer. Now this is going to cost a little bit more upfront, but you have a better chance of getting amazing quality work at the first try. Whereas on Fiverr, sometimes it's going to take you 2 or 3 different tries to find the right designer. The third place that you can look, and my favorite tool that you can look at, is 99designs.com. The way 99 Designs work is that you post a job description. So you say, I'm looking for somebody to design my t-shirts. You're going to put your brand board, of course, and then you're going to put up $100. And what 99 Designs is going to do is open up that job to the entire community. So you're going to have all these people submit design templates to you based on your brand board, based on your job, and you get to look at all of them and only choose the designer that you like. That's the person who gets your $100. The reason why this is one of my favorite platforms to use is because you get so many different quality, talented designers making your vision come to life, but you only have to pay the one that you ultimately choose. It's an incredible idea, an incredible resource. 99 Designs is such a great platform. And to get started, you just go to 99designs.com, fill in your information, post your job, make sure you give that brand board so people know what kind of designs you're looking for, and then you're gonna select the one that you love the most. Another great place to find quality designers is by looking in your area, looking for graphic designers in your area. And you can do this by using Indeed.com, Indeed.com. What you do is you go on Indeed.com, you create a free account, and you post a job description looking for a graphic designer in your area. Once again, put your brand board on there and just ask people to apply to the job by sending you an email with their portfolio. Take a look at their emails, take a look at their portfolio, and whoever you really like, do a phone interview with them. And if they're really talented, go ahead and hire them for the price that you set for them to design your shirts. The great thing about working with somebody in your area is that you can meet with them at a local Starbucks, someplace that's in a public area, safe place, public area, and really help to sit next to them and hone in on the design and make little changes here and there. You can't really do that with an online designer, especially if they're located in another part of the world. So that's why I really like doing Indeed.com, but nowadays I actually design my own shirts, but nowadays I rarely hire freelancers on Indeed.com because it's just such an amazing price point on Fiverr, on Upwork, on 99 Designs. But Indeed is still a great tool to use, especially if you want a local graphic designer. Bonus tip to find a great designer: go to Instagram.com and log into your Instagram profile and search #graphic designer, and you'll see amazing quality work from graphic designers all around the world. Instagram is an incredible platform that connects designers together. It's phenomenal. So use that hashtag search, and then when you find a designer that you really like, send them a direct message and say, hey, I'm looking for somebody to design my t-shirt collection. Would you be interested? And if they say yes, ask them to send you their portfolio. Take a look, and if you like it, then go ahead and agree on a price point and send them your brand board and have them design your shirts. But I want you to keep in mind to make sure when you're creating your collection, you are creating it for an audience. Do not create a t-shirt collection and then try to find people to buy it. Build your audience first of people who want to buy from you, and then create your collection based off of what they tell you they want. If you want help doing this, this is exactly what I show you how to do in the God That Would Grow School of Business. Go ahead and click the link in the description box below to join me in the School of Business now. And if you already have an audience, but you just want to have a little bit of guidance as you're launching your t-shirt collection for your audience, grab my free Launch Your Christian T-shirt business checklist by clicking the link below, which will help you stay on track as you're launching your t-shirt business. And finally, sister of Christ, if you want resources to help you live your God-given purpose as a Christian entrepreneur, make sure you hit the subscription button. My goal for the God That Would Grow YouTube channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ. So if that's you, hit that subscription button, and God willing, I'll see you at God That Would Grow. Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that God That Would Grow releases. My mission with the God That Would Grow YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the God That Grow School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.